Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well, and in this video you'll probably have these applications in my desktop. You can see MX Player, CW files and Codeware. These three different applications can run in Sketchware original because these three applications are created in Sketchware original without having any errors, like it doesn't require any additional libraries, or neither it wants or it needs any kind of additional files or external packages like Java or asset files. It is these three applications are completely freedom, and you can find this application link in description, because I'm going to provide these three applications in my SketchUp project, and these three applications are the last applications that I can provide in SketchUp, because my project slots are already empty. I cannot upload any other project there. So now I'm going to talk about these three applications. First one is MX Player, is built with Sketchware original. So if I open this application, you can see is a MX Player clone probably. You can have all folders that it writes or reads your storage, and then you can have these folders, nice looks, nice icons, like it's a black one or dark one, and you have probably this kind of folder. When you click it, just showing you this mp4 file, and if you open it, redirect to this video player like that, and you can also rotate this video player over there easily. You can see now it's a MX Player clone, so you can have this project free there. And also here the next one is CW files. It's a file manager. It's not as much and much more options, but you can have a nice look. It's a clean UI with a white and black icons, and seamless and smoothing. So you can see the zip file, .zip file, apk files, and also videos, images, and you can also open the internal storage like folder things, and folder to folder you can move there. And it can also shows you the local storage, the available space, and that's for this file application. And their next one is Codeware. It's a photo editing tool, so you can see you can edit any kind of photos over there like brush. Now I can easily edit photos. Now I'm gonna capture this, so I'm gonna choose camera, and here I can capture this easily. Now press it, it's selected. It looks some dirty because my shutter speed is not well in this fact. So, and I also capture it with my auto mode, that's why it getting some like that. Forget about that. And now I'm gonna show the features. Is as brush size, you can change brush size, you can add text there, you can erase everything, you can add also sticker, and you can also have the emoji section. You can save it and redo it, everything. You have a complete package in Codeware. So these three application you will get in a description link. It doesn't require anything, not a single library, so you don't get any errors. So that's all for this today, and I think you guys enjoyed this video a lot, and you already subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, thank you for subscribing. And we already reached 250, and yeah, I'm really glad, because yeah, it has really strong and hard journey to cover subscribers. And for I'm giving you guys a free project and source code. And I want to talk about the previous project, like I uploaded three applications and three projects, like one day night switch, another one the notification banner, and the third one is smiley rating. So these three applications needs one library. So now I can show you the how you can do that. If I go to Codeware application, after you installing this Codeware, make sure you register this application. You can see here is my profile because I already registered, and in this home section you can see it's the home section. You will find different here you can see the smiley rating, here the notification bar, here the level switch. You can press and download this thing. When you press this download, it will add the library to your project, and that's it. Now you can fix it easily without having any issues. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribing my channel and downloading my project free without having any issues. You can also mail me. I can give you a quick and brief reply. So thank you for watching again, and thank you for subscribing me who already subscribed my channel. And there will be much more contents available, and upcoming contents will be more interesting. Like, I think I'm planning to publish a tutorial series on how you can edit your videos professionally in your Android also, as well as in your PC, in a easy way. So yep, that's all. And subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. It's only a subscriber button, doesn't do anything else. So subscribe it and comment if you have any problem. And you can share this video, always share it. And you can also follow my Instagram account. You can find my Instagram link in description. And I think I also create another Instagram soon for short videos, like I already published previous one in 40 to 50 seconds. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, because corona is yeah, COVID is really strange, and it getting really weird nowadays. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching again. Yep. Peace.